Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your language in Skate, whether it's for your menus, subtitles, or even the voice dialogue. Super quick and easy. Let's get started. Launch Skate. Once you're in the game, go to Settings. Inside Settings, open Settings again to access all options. From here, navigate to Accessibility. Under the Language Text option, you can choose the language for your interface, menus, and subtitles. Select the language you prefer. Below that, you'll see Language Voice. Here you can select the language for dialogue and narration in the game. After choosing your preferred voice language, press Apply. When asked to confirm, select Yes. That's it. Your language settings are now updated in Skate. Both the text and voice should be changed to the language you selected. I hope this quick tutorial helped you out. If it did, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and drop a comment letting me know which language you switched to. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.